In this video, I'll show you how to create a blank highlight name on Instagram. So if you just head over to the Instagram app, and at the bottom here, you can see all of your highlights. Now, if I select one of these highlights and then come into the edit section, you can see here, we can obviously change the name. Now, if I just backspace all of the text here, so it's completely empty, and select done, you'll see what will happen is you'll get this kind of default highlights text, which is obviously not what we want. So in order to fix this and have this completely empty, what you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and you're just going to type in copy blank text. Now you can use any of these websites to do this. I'm just going to come over to this top one, then click on the copy to clipboard button, and then you just need to select this invisible text here and press copy. Then you can head back over to the Instagram application. Now you can either create a new highlight or you can just edit an existing one. So I'm going to edit an existing one by coming into here, click on more, and then select edit highlight. And then now for the name section, all we need to do is remove this and paste in the invisible text. Now if I hit done in the top right hand side, if I head back over to my highlights, you can see it's now created this invisible text. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a highlight with no name in Instagram. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.